How to find your required course items. You can use textbooks.bgsu.edu to find out what books are required for your class. The website also saves you time by searching large online textbook retailers to find you the cheapest prices. An email will be provided at the end of this video if you have additional questions. There are two different ways to access the textbooks website. The first is to click on View Book List in the Quick Links section of your My BGSU homepage. After selecting which semester you want to view, the textbooks page will pre-populate with your required textbooks for that semester. Please note you have to allow pop-ups to view the textbook page. The second way to view your books is to go directly to textbooks.bgsu.edu. You will have to choose from the drop-down options to select your term, department prefix, course, and section number. If you have multiple courses, you can add them all at the same time. Once you added everything you need, click on the green bar that states Compare Prices. Important warnings will pop up before you see the comparison. Contact your professor if you have questions about editions or formats. Don't buy a used access code. Codes are not reusable and you could be out the money you paid. BGSU does not have a physical bookstore. All items are purchased online. BGSU does not help with credit card transactions, returns, or refunds. After you read the common warnings, click on Begin Price Comparison. To view details about required items, click on the individual books listed below the professor's name and class number. The textbook website shows cheaper places to obtain the books from various large online retailers like Amazon, Chegg, VitalSource, and Barnes & Noble. There are tabs on the top of the list of the purchase options if you want to purchase a new book, used book, rent a book, or if you prefer ebooks. Ebooks and rentals are a good way to save money and are very popular with our students. Once you determine the book and format you want, add the item to your cart. Once your cart is complete, click on Checkout. You will check out and purchase from each retailer individually in a new window. Make sure the items you choose have any additional items required, like CDs or access codes. You may see messages under the Book Details section. Some books are available as an ebook for free through the Jerome Library. We will share the permalink with you below the book information. Some books come with the required access code that provides access to homework, quizzes, and notes. We will supply a direct website to the publisher in order to purchase the item. The price is included, as well as any necessary information. Please know the link is not clickable. You have to copy and paste it into a new window. Some courses do not require purchased items for the course. Any required course materials or readings will be provided by the instructor. The textbook website will also communicate if we don't have information from the professor regarding what is required for the course. You will have to periodically check back with the textbook website for that information. We hope this helps you plan for the new semester. Again, if you have any questions, please email us at textbooks@bgsu.edu. Welcome to our Falcon family.